Hi, it's Shelley Meadows from Navigation Consulting and Training, and it's Bell Let's Talk Day. So I figured, what better day to try to get over my own anxiety of being on camera, because I would rather be speaking in person, and film my first ever video blog. Because I think that mental health is extremely important, and the Let's Talk initiative is a really great initiative. I really hope that one day we can stop the stigma around mental health and mental illness. And part of that is talking about it and sharing experiences so that we normalize mental health and we recognize that it's a priority, and hopefully we get to a point in time where mental health is viewed as no different than physical health. And I believe that it is equally as important as physical health, and often they're quite intertwined as well. So it really, really is important that we change the view on it. My own lived experience with stress and burnout and anxiety and depression, which actually led me to a bit of a silver lining. That's how I ended up co-founding Navigation Consulting and Training, which is an organization focused on workplace health and safety training, of which mental health in the workplace is an extremely important part, and I think will continue to be a focus going forward for sure. It's okay to not be okay. And I'm happy to teach about something that I think is extremely important and I'm passionate about. And as a workplace, if you want to thrive, then your people have to thrive. And in order to do that, you need to make sure that you're making mental health of your employees a priority and supporting it. So I hope on this Bell Let's Talk Day, you will reflect on the importance of mental health and changing our mindset on it a bit and making it a focus. Stay safe, be kind to yourself and to others, and let's talk.